if you really want to be clever on these, on the ones that I usually work with, I actually have them scotch taped together in their beginning configuration, and that way all I do is just drop the entire thing. I'm less likely to drop one of the feathers down into the hole. See how it's curving around? Look! It's a miniature Wonder Bar.
Wow!
Isn't it cute?
Sure is. That's the smallest one I've ever seen.
So, notice how now it didn't go straight down, but it angled out at the bottom there. If I drilled that hole deeper, it may have come straight out. So I had one